Yes. So in these lectures we will discuss about the transfer of heat. Already I have discussed what is the heat, what is the temperature, and how is measured the temperature, thermometer, temperature scale, measuring thermometer scale, different units. But in this topic we will discuss about the transfer of heat. So what is the transfer of heat? To carry have one from one part of the object to other part of the object. Carry heat to one part of the object to another part of the object, or one object to another object, is known as the transfer of heat. What is the transfer of heat? So transfer of heat, to carry heat from one part of the object to its other part, or from one object to another object, is called transfer of heat. Heat flows from hotter object to colder object, or hot object to cold object, or higher temperature to lower temperature. Heat always flows from higher temperature to lower temperature. Heat flows from an object at a higher temperature to lower temperature, always, not lower to higher or equal temperature, no, only higher to lower. Means it should be much temperature different from between the objects for flowing of heat. Already you have to know, for electricity it should be clear, difference of potential difference must be between the two places, then electricity will be transferred or electricity will be flows. Similarly, water flows from one object to another object, or water flows from one place to another place. There should be pressure difference between two places. Similarly, for flowing of heat, there should be temperature different. Flowing of heat should be temperature different. Flowing of water should be pressure different. And flowing of electricity from one place to another place should be potential difference. It should be clear. So, transfer of heat. Heat can be transferred from a hot object to a cold object, or higher temperature to lower temperature, by the different ways. Different process from transfer of heat from one object to another object, or one place to another place. This process is known as the first by conduction. Flows first by conduction, second by convection, third by radiation. Conduction, convection and radiation, there are three processes for flowing heat from one object to another object, or one place to another place, or one part of an object to another part of same object. Conduction process applicable for the solid substances. Means in solid, heat is transferred by conduction, and in liquid, in solid, and in liquid, convection. Convection process in liquid and in gases. And by radiation process in the, where is the vacuum medium, there is no solid, liquid or gases, vacuum medium. Means not interference any substances. means radiation process starting in the heat flowing of heat in a vacuum medium where is not solid, not liquid, not gases. So these are the process of the transfer of heat: conduction, convection and radiation. Conduction process in solid, in liquid and gases in the convection process, and in vacuum medium in radiation process. So later I will discuss about these process in briefly details. Okay, thank you.